My friends, it's Coach Vigue. Where am I? I am in the state of Tennessee. A lot of traveling lately, a lot of time in the car. So these are some very, very special body weight only exercises that I've been doing every day to stay limber. And as I just turned 50 years old last week. So follow along, feel strong, flexible, youthful, vibrant underneath this beautiful tree in Tennessee. Click that like button and let's begin in child's pose. I got this thing in the back. I gotta get a new cap. So I'll call wardrobe department after this. Exhale, stretch it back, all body weight. Invite people to join you and you will feel better immediately. Let's rock it back and forth. Inhale forward, exhale back. Elbows in, a child's pose to modified plank. Get the blood flowing, get the mind going. It really is night and day, before and after, and during your workouts too. 2 more times. Lengthens my spine, releases tension in my lower back, releases stress. Now pop it up to downward facing dog. Modify as needed anytime. We're gonna bend the knees. We're gonna exhale forward. Bring that right foot forward. Use the hand if you like. And then this hand is here, this left hand, we're gonna press down and then take it back. Back and forth. Ah, what just stuck my thumb? Work through it, practice daily, daily, daily. I post a lot of short reels on my social media, but there's nothing like getting down and doing a prolonged 10 to 15 minute flow to make a massive difference. You put it all together. Forward. Add a little twist if you like, bringing this arm back. We're attacking that hip flexor. We're stretching the spine. We're getting some rotation. I got a tail on my cap. Woo! One more time each side. Got some tennis courts behind the camera. It is hot and humid in the Rocky Mountain state, or Rocky Top state rather. Rocky Mountain, that's where I lived before, that's Colorado. This is Rocky Top, the volunteer state. All right, press it back. Now walk forward, come to a seated position. Let's rev up that core, feet up, shoulders back, arms out if you like, and bicycle. Stabilize from your center. Gotta keep that core strong, keep it vibrant, keep it balanced. Because everything emanates out of it, everything, every movement has to begin. Abdominals, lower back, hips and glutes. Reverse. This is the tough one. Whew. Click, 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 click. Like to keep moving. Let's do 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Hold that half boat. Or, and this is one that I've been enjoying immensely lately, the extended boat. And I know I said enjoyed. I'm a fitness instructor. I enjoy this stuff sometimes. I mean, you have to or you won't do it very much. You gotta enjoy the release, the strength, the balance, how it reverses all that negative crap. Lengthen behind the backs of the knees, drop the shoulders down, open the chest, fatten up the hinges. Beautiful. Now from half boat, we're gonna swing the legs around and back and we come into, look at this, pigeon. Where'd that come from? I don't know. We have pigeon. I'm a big fan of pigeon, like to do all sorts of variations. So rock it side to side, move it around, draw circles, draw triangles, draw the Louvre, whatever. That's out him. Now bring that right leg back. We come back to half boat. Swing around to the other side. Pigeon. Stretch that back leg. Your hip flexor might rebel for a moment. Breathe into it. And then move around. And these are some of the exercises. Stay tuned for more and more. I do these, try to do as many as I can every single day. Back to half boat. Let's do it one more time each side. Bring it around. Transition. I'm trying not to roll into the creek here. Massage your glute, massage the hip flexor, out here filming too. My son started kindergarten today, so I'm very excited, but I'm rather melancholy about it. It's a big day, big changes. Something sticking right in my hand. All right, one more time, other side. So, take a long walk along the stream and do some filming, be with you. Except that guy over there. I don't care for him, but I like that guy. Oh, we stretch it out. Now, take it back, lower down, Cobra, lifting up, elbows in, or up dog. Condition your back. Get off there. Drop the shoulders, knees off the mat if you like, squeeze the tops of the thighs. There's an ant going into my AirPod case. Okay, my charger. Do you want more? Oh yeah, bend those legs. Love this. Activating strength in the arms and the bones and stretching your quads and your glutes. Oh, that's the sound right there. Oh, someone just walked by. It's weird. What do I expect? I'm filming outside. Oh, my friends. Okay, bring it back. Downward facing dog. Walk the legs. Down dog walk. Spread the fingers wide. Loosen up your hamstrings, your glutes, your calves, your middle, upper, and lower back, and the shoulders. Always include a good dollop of down dogs in your training. Stretch it back. Let those hands go further forward. Elongate the spine. Sitting in a car quite a bit. Drove from Wisconsin, all over the place. So many hours. All the things that go with traveling. We all do it. We can all loosen it up. Get back to where we need to be. One more breath. Stretch. Oh, man. Good stuff. We'll finish off here this sequence in a Garland squat. Blow the ant down there. Right down there. If you want, you can have the hands up here too. I'm gonna noodle around. You noodle. You wanna create. I always look at flows as a way of creating. Like a symphony, a concerto, a sonata, a poem. It has to flow together. I like to connect. Rock it side to side if you like. You can also bring a hand down and lift up into a twist or the forearm. This one's always a little tight on this side, so let's do it. So we're opening the glutes, the hips, and the back as we twist. Oh, one more time each side. Don't want to keep you too long here, my friends. This is gold. Practice this. You could do it all over again. Tailbone sinking down. Use those elbows. Open the hips. Tight hips, tight back, tight shoulders, tight everything. Want to keep it all open every day. Practice every day. With me, Coach V. One more breath. All right. Tell you what. Try not to roll down the creek. Let's finish off here. Creek or crick? A little active twist. Take the hands back behind you. And we go back and forth. I'll make it work. You make it work too. Drop those knees down. Sit up tall. This rotation, my friends, may just save your life. You're in a situation, you gotta move fast, think fast. You want your body to be able to be mobile, be able to move freely through many planes of movement, of motion, and rotation is so good for that. Often underused, underlooked in training. Can't stop. One more time each side. There's something biting my neck. I'm very flattered. All right. Get off the mat, shake it out. This right here, this is a move. Shake it out. Any chance you get, activate. Wrists, ankles, toes. I have the power. That's right. Even the face, the jaw is loose. Relax the jaw, relax the forehead. Take this left foot, cross it over the right. Let's twist it. Seated twist. Drop the shoulders. 3 more breaths. All right, you like this stretch? Make sure you click that like button, my friend. More to come. Turning 50 is an honor. It's a privilege. It's also a wake-up call, as always, like every day that goes by is, to engage, to lock in, and try to help as many people around you as you can. I like to share these. I like to train with you. I like to get it out there. It's so good, anywhere, anytime, any age, any fitness level. Shake it out again, activate, activate. Beautiful, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. If this workout helped, if this flow makes you feel better, don't be shy. Click that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button, smash the like button, smash everything, the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. It is indeed a pleasure. As always, Coach Vigue coming at you anywhere, any place. Now, check this out. My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, you need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below. Try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.